So I normally use this eyebrow pencil by the Brow Gal to do my brows, and this is in the shade Espresso. The formula is not waxy, so it lasts all day on the brows, and it comes with a sharpener and a spoolie on the opposite end. And I'll link everything I'll be using today in the description box if you're interested. So you just want to take your spoolie and brush through your brows. I normally brush the hair at the front upwards because they go upwards. Once you're satisfied with how the hairs are laying, take the pencil and outline the bottom part and the top part of the brows. After that, lightly fill in the brows by making short hair-like strokes. Then take the spoolie again and brush through the brows. Next, you just want to fill in any gaps that remain in the brow, then brush through again with the spoolie. So here I'm just repeating the same steps until I'm satisfied with how the brow is looking. To outline the brows, I'll be mixing these two concealers from Wet n Wild, and I'll be using a flat brush. If you have an angle brush, you can use that as well. And the key to neat looking brows is to definitely take your time when doing this step. I normally start with a little bit of product, then I go back in with a bit more product at a time so it can be neat and precise. And while I'm applying the product, I drag it downwards, then tap it into the skin to blend it out. I recommend using a concealer that is close to your skin tone to outline the top part of your brows so it looks more natural. And after I'm finished outlining the brow, I normally go back in with the lighter concealer to highlight the arch of the brow to make it a bit more defined. To give my brows a more fuller look and to make sure they stay put all day, I apply the Benefit Gimme Brow over top. Here I am just tweezing the tiny hairs that I was unable to tame at the front. So yes guys, that is basically my brow routine. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment below. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.